Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to maintain your PC if it's charged by your charger but not charged. Instead of that, it shows a blinking of charger, and this shows some problem. Let me show you now. As you can see, this is working without a charger. It's working by battery. That this shows that battery is in good condition, no problem in battery. But when I connect this one charger to the PC, let me check. Connect. Now your battery becomes like this. Have you seen? It's blinking. That means it shows that it's not charging. Let me check from this charger also. The charger says that you can see what it says, that it's 90% remaining, but it does not show any charge. But if you remain sometime, it may show also charging. Yeah, look now, it says that 92 available, plugged in but not charging, and it shows that plug-in. But if you continue for a long time, the battery percentage becomes decreased, it's not charging. So how to solve this problem? Let me check it. First you should to unplug the charger, then go to your task manager, right click on the bottom of task manager, then go to task manager, right click over here, then you will come to this one. Maybe if it may not come, it may show that few detail maybe like that. If it shows like this, sorry, if it shows like this, you can maximize it, and then at the bottom click on more detail, then you will get this one. If after this, go to down, and you will go to down at the bottom, and you will get here window explorer. Now look, this window explorer is now it's not running, so right click over it and click on restart. Now window explorer is restarting again. Now let me check our charger. Let me connect to charger. Now battery becomes charging. Now it's definitely 100% your problem is solved. Thank you for watching for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can check here also, its battery is charging. It shows the battery is charging. You can see available plug-in charging. It shows charging signal is coming. It's charging. Look. Oh, it's good. Okay, thank you very much for watching.